Hello everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks. I'm the other host, Jack. Oz is again behind the camera.
Hello. I totally put my pants on this time.
That's an improvement, trust me. So today we're doing something chickeny. So we're doing chicken and rice. You got anything, Oz?
Be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell. It's all down there.
Shameless plug. Yeah, chicken
Share
rice.
us with your friends. We need the love.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this.
Alright, so we found some chicken that was actually pretty good price, about $5.19.
Very cheap, yeah.
And you're gonna need brown rice for
No,
this.
we get the boiling bag rice is what we're told to use.
Yeah, which is weird. Some cream of chicken, condensed, and some spinach, chopped.
Spinach is going to be on the side.
Yeah, it's optional. You don't even need it if you don't want it.
Any kind of spice you want to use, you use a lot of different stuff. And then we have to have paprika on top.
Yeah, and poke the water.
Yeah, gotta have the water clean the water.
Alright, so gonna get the skillet going. Make sure the fire's on.
Medium high.
Yeah, medium high.
Usual.
And then add about a tablespoon and a half of oil. You can use more, probably not less. It's up to personal
Depends on the
choice.
chicken. Now, you can slice up the chicken before you put it on here, right?
Yeah.
Or you can cube it or do whatever. No, you can also just leave it as
Like
full on
chicken
breast.
steaks, yeah. Now the recipe I found actually said just go ahead and leave them like this, and I'm lazy and don't like to mess with chicken, so here we go. I just left it whole, and
This is where you season it.
yeah, I usually season the stuff when it's still in the packaging, but I mean it's why not? We'll just try it, and we went ahead and did it this way. We added some garlic and some rib tickler.
Well, we did it this way because when you're done with this, you're going to cook the rice and stuff in this thing. You do it in the
Yes.
package, anything that misses the chicken gets thrown away. We don't hear it, it'll stay inside.
Yeah.
Right.
So normally when you're like doing your rice, you do it off the side its own thing. With this recipe, you actually cook the rice in this same skillet. So you'll see how
The
later.
chicken's got chicken flaps.
Yeah, we didn't notice that
We
at first.
didn't know. We put it down with the cook, and then there were folded over pieces of chicken flap.
Yeah, it was really disconcerting. See right there.
Yeah.
That's when we first noticed it.
It's got a flavor hole.
Yeah.
You
It's
put all
like
the seasoning in that.
big flavor
So be
slice.
sure to lay that over the other way and to help it cook.
Yeah, see, I flipped them over after a minute of realizing that.
A giant pink spot in the flavor hole.
Yeah. Now, this is going to take about 10 minutes to cook this.
Right, you want to get it to a nice golden brown. These are thin, so they cook really fast.
Yeah.
If you cut them up in strips and stuff, it's the same thing. Just put the meat on the metal, let it cook down, get it all nice and brown. Be sure
Yeah.
to not be tricked because the seasoning will make it look brown.
Yes, you have to make
it's
sure.
done, make sure it's the meat that it's brown, like this.
Yep.
Excellent golden color.
Chicken is one of the meats you want to make sure it's done.
So once it's cooked, pull it off. You put it on your secret weapon, your paper plate covered plastic plate.
Paper towel, yep.
Now leave this stuff in here.
You're going to need that later.
Right. And then
So-
when you're doing that, just go ahead and heat up your spinach. Once
Yeah.
the spinach is already cooked, it's just in a can.
Yeah, you're just getting it warm and seasoning it
right?
if you really
And
want to.
We ended up putting
Garlic
powder and
and
salt.
yeah, sea salt.
Yeah.
Had
Which
the-
is really good. Like, I can't do spinach without salt, so I understand that.
Yeah.
Just put that on medium high, let it heat up in the back for a little
There's
bit.
that garlic.
Throw in your garlic powder and your sea salt.
Attempt to put in your sea salt. It kind of worked, and then yeah, it barely worked. So I added some more off camera.
So just to taste. If you're not much into salt, you can leave it out.
Add more garlic. You can't go wrong with a ton
yeah,
of garlic
no,
in your spinach, man.
I would have
It's
put
awesome.
like at least 3 cloves. Now you've got this. Now add that.
Add
cream.
water first.
Yeah, you want to see this thing and start cooking this into a big clump of soup. So if you ever wanted to fry soup, there you go. And
Add your water first, then add your chicken.
Now it's going to look horrible. It looks like you're boiling bacon fat.
Yeah, it's awful.
Because it's that cream stuff. But once it starts heating up and breaking down, if you ever made a cream soup from condensed stuff, you'll know what we're talking about.
Oh,
It's good. So once it starts cooking, you see it actually starts looking like food
Yeah, it
with
looks decent.
lumps of lard in it. But it starts boiling, it'll start cooking down.
yeah.
And once you see the boils, especially when it's in the circle, when you know it's a full ring underneath, it's cooking it. You're good to go. Now you take the boiling back stuff, but you don't.
Yeah, don't touch the hot stuff.
So while you're doing this, go ahead and cut the bags open for your boiling bag rice. You can leave it in the bags. You're just going to dump them from there, or you can put them in a bowl or something
Yeah.
separate. You want like a cup and a half of the rice.
Yeah, we wanted a cup and a half, but we were lazy and I wasn't about to separate half a bag, so we put two cups out.
Now take it in here, stir it all in, make sure it all gets moisture on it. You want it to be nice and moist.
Yeah.
You gotta have
You want to
moist
stir
rice.
it. You want to pay attention to it because rice will sit on the bottom and it will burn if you don't pay attention.
This
if you ever
isn't like
get
making
too
regular rice. So you let it do that. You turn it down to simmer, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes while it's doing that, right?
high. Yeah.
And
Longer
we'll
if you
start
really
cooking
want.
that rice. Oh yeah.
Go ahead and cover it up. Not gonna be doing anything else with it. Oh wait, pepper. Gotta season it.
Add salt and pepper if you need anything else. There should be a lot of seasoning from the chicken and stuff. Now you can add the paprika to it. It's the same thing. Anytime you add dries to wets, it's going to clump up a little bit.
It's going to be a pain to mix in, but it'll go eventually. Yeah.
Yeah. No, you take it. You can just get angry and start poking at it if you feel like it. Which
it works.
It's generally what I do because I get mad and I don't want the little.
Now you see those little dots there?
Milk.
Yeah.
That's wads of flavor.
Yeah, it's just poke it in there. Get in there.
Taste the flavor wad.
Flavor wad. And here we are. It's like a rice gravy almost.
Yeah. You just put it in there, slide it around, make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. Outstanding. And then once you do that, then you just straight up add the chicken, right?
Yeah, you add your chicken to it. You don't have to add your chicken. You can put this on top of your chicken when you're serving it, or do it like this. This is mainly how I've seen people do it. Though.
You push it down. You put it in here and then push it down like you're trying to drown somebody you don't like. Right?
Yeah.
Just,
you're encasing the chicken in your rice.
Rice gravy.
Yeah.
Just get in there. Drown, stupid chicken. Guy who owes me money. Jerk. All right. And then you put more paprika on it.
Yeah,
just a little bit of a season. And then you let it sit in there for another 5 to 8 minutes. Something like that. Let it simmer, let it cook in there, and then when you plate it, you just straight up put it on there.
Just get a glob of chicken and rice.
Now we threw spinach in here as a side. You can use this as a standalone meal, man. Just the rice and the meat itself is outstanding. But we really wanted to get into some spinach and do it. Now, my only problem with spinach, I enjoy spinach, don't get me wrong. My only problem with it is spinach
See that water?
That's spinach water.
See that green liquid there? Yeah, you don't want that.
I try to drain as much of that crap.
But there's just more.
Because I don't like my foods to touch. And when the water comes out of the spinach, it just touches. And if you got bread or something on there, it's going to go directly to it, and all your bread's going to taste like spinach.
Yeah, life pro tip, just get a paper towel and dab it around the plate. That's what I did, and it worked pretty good here.
Soak that stuff up. So that was like a full meal. It took a very short amount of time. And
very
cost
little money,
it
too. It was
like 2 or
dirt
3
cheap.
people.
Alright, and so there you have it. Chicken and rice, done very messily, because that's my first time doing it. And it gets everywhere, if you're me. So
It must be my first time.
So anyway, thanks for watching. This has been Living Between Paychecks. You can catch us Tuesdays and Fridays, or pretty much any day of the week. Those are just our upload days. You can catch us on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, Instagram, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, Patreon, I should know this because I made it myself, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, and we're on Pinterest too, but that links back to here, so I mean, that's up to you if you want to go there as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.